Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the dynamic lock screen wallpaper in this device. So in this device I already enabled the option dynamic lock screen wallpaper. When you enable this option on the lock screen, each and every time the lock screen wallpaper will change automatically. You can see. So here I already enabled this one. To enable the dynamic lock screen wallpaper, go to settings, tap on the option wallpaper and style, tap on change wallpaper, scroll down, tap on wallpaper services. So here you can see some options, and from here you need to select the option dynamic lock screen wallpaper. After select this one, tap on the gear button. So here you can see some categories of photos, and from here you can easily download the category that you want to apply on your lock screen. And these photos will apply on your lock screen also. So simply in this way we can set the dynamic lock screen wallpaper in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.